Hi, welcome to Karen's Kitchen. Today we're going to cook my favourite camp bread, which is a spelt mix. It's very easy to get. It's from the supermarket and it has everything you need. It has the flour and the yeast. First things first, we put the flour and the yeast in and 300 ml of lukewarm water. Now comes the messy part. We can stir it around until we can't stir it anymore, and then we start kneading. The reason I use the spelt mix is because it's good for the tummy, and this particular one is very convenient because it's got everything in it. What I'm going to do now is put some olive oil on my hands and knead it. It doesn't actually take that long. You can't really go wrong with this particular bread mix. I don't knead it for ages. I just get it together basically. And because it's spelt, it's not like normal really glutinous flour. You don't need to knead it for that long. And if it starts sticking, you just put a little bit of olive oil on your hands. But at the moment, it's pretty good. And all I do is I just push my hand in and pull it over. I'm just going to keep kneading for a few minutes, and then I'm going to put some olive oil in the bowl and place the dough in there. Okay, I think it's about ready to go in. So I'll grab the bowl, put some olive oil around, put a little bit on my hands, cover it completely in oil so it doesn't get a film on it. And we're going to put a tea towel over it, and we can leave it anywhere from 40 minutes to 2 hours. Okay, it's been an hour and a half and the yeast has done all it needs to. So now I'm just going to take it out of the bowl and shape it. So you just grab it out like this, and I'm just going to roll it in my hands for a little bit and stretch it. Now I'm just going to chop it up into bread roll size and shape the bread rolls. So basically all you need to do is tuck the corners in, keep tucking, and then you just need to get a little bit of surface tension on there, sort of squeeze underneath. And there you go, shaped. And this is the last one. All we need to do now is just place them in the camp oven and we're ready to go. I'm just putting a little bit of oil in here so they don't stick. A lot of people like to use flour, but I like to use oil. Now that we've got the bread rolls ready, we just need to wait 20 minutes for them to rise, and then we can put them straight on the coals. Okay, these are ready to go. I'll just put some sesame seeds on top. And what I like to do is just have a few coals on the base so they don't burn, and I put most of my coals on top so it's a bit like an oven. Cook them for about 20 minutes and we'll be able to smell when they're ready. That's really about all I want on there. Well, it's been 20 minutes and I can smell the bread rolls. So let's have a look. Oh wow, they look fantastic. Now they're super easy to make, as you saw, and are a great addition to any camp meal. So why not give them a go?